I'm live here in the beautiful Alachua, Florida, and I just wanted to come out and answer a couple of quick questions for some folks that have been asking me on the mortgage side. Today, just a quick mortgage tip second, because some people have been hitting me with some questions on this forbearance stuff. And by the way, check out these gator glasses. Awesome. It's bright out. Kids are swimming, so I'm watching them swim, getting some loans approved, and cannonball. And so I wanted to hit really quick and let everybody answer the couple of questions that people have been hitting me with on the mortgage side. The first one that has been hitting me a lot with has been the forbearance thing. What's going on with the forbearance? Can I take a couple months off? Can I just not pay my mortgage? No questions asked, like everybody's saying. Well, the short answer is yes, you can, but here's why you shouldn't unless you absolutely have to. Is first off, a forbearance is not the greatest thing for you to do because once you still have to make those payments back. So whenever those payments, you defer those payments out, and then when it's time for your payment to start again, now you got to pay all, like say you did 3 months. So you did 3 months of payments off, and then you start again. Now you owe all 3 of those payments at once to catch back up. And if you don't, they'll stretch it out for you, and try to work with you. But typically you have to make that full payment of all 3 months at one time. So a lot of people are being, are very curious about this forbearance thing, and it's not necessary. It's not what it's all made up to be. If your servicer reports it incorrectly, it can mess you up on your credit. It's not supposed to, but so the bottom line is if you can make the mortgage payment, make the mortgage payment. So you definitely want to make the mortgage payment. So, and hang on a second. Yes, buddy. Okay. Got it. Okay. So, so you want to make the payment if you can. So, if you can't, and you've got to take advantage of the forbearance, then you can. But and here's the other side to this. The unknown piece is when someone doesn't make their mortgage payment on these loans, the servicer is actually having to make the payment for you because they're servicing the loan that was sold to Fannie, Freddie, and Ginnie. So they have to make that payment. And so if a lot of people suddenly do this, then you could see serious damage happen to the liquidity in the mortgage market, which we've already started seeing because they're worried about this. So, and there's no relief for that. So it can hurt everybody when it comes to guidelines, minimum credit score requirements, and everything else. So where you used to could help someone to have a lower credit score to maybe to work into like an FHA loan, a lot of that's just going away now because the lenders don't want to take that risk anymore. So the unforeseen effect of the forbearance thing is this kind of things, liquidity in the market and being able to have the lender survive and being able to have more mortgage products available for everybody. So if you can make it, make that payment. The other thing that people are asking me is about where are rates going? What's going on with rates? Well, they've been nuts. They have settled down a little bit, but they're good. So if you're looking to refinance, it is a good time to start exploring that option. And I really think that they're going to continue to get better because where they're trading now, where the mortgage-backed securities are trading. So we're seeing good rates and good scenarios for folks that are looking to refinance because values are there. And so there's some great options on that. So those are the two things that I've been getting a lot of questions on. I just wanted this to push out there and let people know a little bit about it. If you want to know more about it, hit me up with some questions on it. Direct message me, call me. You can email me, text me, however you can find me some way. But the biggest piece is I'm here to try to help get you some answers on that kind of stuff. So, that's about it. So on Thursday, I want to go ahead and put it out there. Dana Miller, who's the vice mayor for Alachua, she's going to be on the show with me, and she's going to go over. She works for Waste Pro. And she's going to go over everything that Waste Pro has been doing through this whole COVID thing because their employees really are at a lot of risk of what they do and how they're really going over and above to make things happen for us. And then she's also vice mayor of Alachua. So we have some questions to find out what what some of the resources that are available to everyone through Alachua, and what you can, what to expect and how to get to them, and all that good stuff. So she's an awesome person, and so it's going to be a great interview. And so look for that. That's going to be Thursday at 3:00. I also have Ben Brookhart, who's going to be coming on. We're working on a schedule right now. This guy, you're going to love this one because he is such an entrepreneur, and his story is fascinating. So I've got him coming on, and I also have Josh Mueller coming on next week, who's going to be talking about some of these amazing cleaning tools and some of the things that they're doing on COVID, on attacking this and getting facilities ready for it, and be ready to be able to have people back in them. So it's a really neat story there. So all that's coming next week for Josh and Ben. I'm not sure yet. We're going to get the schedule on, but this Thursday we have Dana on. So, and if you want to be on, if you have a business, I want to start highlighting our local businesses here as well. Hit me up, because I want to get you on the show and talk about what you guys do and how things are going for your business and how people can work with you. And it's the biggest thing is we're all wanting to get together and stay connected through all this, because we're all having to work at home. See, I'm working at home. Kids are playing. I'm working on loans, sporting my cool new glasses. But this is the only way we can actually connect with everybody anymore. So we're really looking forward to getting more shows going. So if you want to be on, hit me up. Anyway, I'll see everybody later, and I'm going to continue to watch the kids, and I'm going to work on these loans. Talk to you later.